Guys, so this is the 371 A13 Rogue Armored. First thing that caught our attention is it has an outside kitchen. It has a pull-out area for your stove, or you can use it as a cutting board. It has an ice maker, little storage unit in there. It is a fifth wheel. Just a monster. And I'll show you the rest of it that caught our attention. Dry weight's 12,764 pounds. It's detail. It's got like the brick look to it when you come in. There's the girls. Alright, yeah, we'll take a look at it.
Daddy, these are my...
So you have yourself a Greystone fireplace. When you come in, the brick wall has a dinette, so you can put some stools, folding stools. Got monster television up on the wall. A lot of overhead storage over the top of the kitchen. It has a corner kitchen here. Sink, stove, cabinets. Look at this. Just pull. There you go. Look at that. Greystone's oven range. Yep. And then here's your, it has like a farm style stove. But this is really cool. This Furrion refrigerator. Freezer on the bottom. And for those that like their wine, has a nice wine container or soda. Yeah. You can see it's got a window on it. So we'll move up to the front of the rig. Did they come out yet? Go up to the front of the rig here, up the steps, comes to your bathroom, master bathroom. Space for your bathroom to your master. We'll go through here, so you have a slide on the left hand side here, so you have a storage space in the hallway like so. And then you get into the master. You have some more countertop with drawers underneath, more storage or wardrobe space on the left. And then pretty neat layout. You got your overhead storage, typical.
Then look at the lights.
Then you have down below some more storage, and then the lights.
They're blue. You want them to be blue.
Blue, and then reading lights. This looks like this actually has a king size, full size king size bed.
I think it folded. No, I'll have to see.
A full king size bed, has a window with it. But yeah, this definitely has a cool storage capabilities. And now we'll go to the back. This is one of those power lift systems as well for the bed. Now we'll go to the very back. It has a solid glass door. Goes to your toy hauler. This is definitely cool. So you have your flip downs. It has a patio with a canvas wall for you to block off the cold. It does have itself a bed that you can flip down. It's not it's not automatic. It is a manual. But here's the neat part. There is a loft upstairs in the toy hauler. See the logo. There's a loft upstairs, and then you have a bathroom in the rear, so you got yourself a half bath. It's pretty cool. And then the wall for transporting the wall actually, the bathroom wall actually folds. You also have a spot for your washer and dryer. So it does have yourself a gate in the rear here so you can access through.
There was so much you could do with them. I just thought you like chose your motorcycle.
Neat thing you have is that you have some patio lights up here as well, so you can light up your patio. And you can see with the one canvas flip down, and they just roll up into the top. So outside it does have a leash latch, and you can see with the back view the patio. There's the sale price for the show. And it does have plenty of storage underneath. You got more storage in your bays here. More storage underneath, propanes. Let's see if I can get around here to the actual weight. Sneak through here. So, gross vehicle weight on this one's 16,685 pounds. Cargo weight is 4,066 pounds. And very cool. Very cool. And there is your docking stations over here as well, along with your furnace exhaust, which is nice being on the opposite side. And here's your cap for the Rogue Armored. Plenty of lighting, nice aerodynamics. It's a very nice rig. Very long rig. Hey guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and then once you do that, turn on the bell so that you get notifications on when we post more videos.